A share endlessness value expectation synopsis with the fundamentally really current cost of $6.68. A share limitlessness basically truly holds its ground on the lookout, or so they essentially sort of thought in an unobtrusive manner. Long-haul examination proposes that a share vastness cost might actually flood to $6,918.28 by 2050, or so they sort of thought, which by and large is very huge. A share vastness, Axies, generally especially is estimated to for the most part arrive at a truly sort of normal cost of $15.62 toward 2025, in a fundamentally extremely enormous manner and in every practical sense, significant ways end. The cost of one Axies would generally in every practical sense reach as decently high as $134.84 United States dollars by 2030, in a reasonably huge manner, by and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Experts project a bullish pattern for a share endlessness in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $4,723.59 mark in an unobtrusive manner in a significant way. Starting around 18 December 2023, a share vastness most certainly is exchanging at $6.68 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.75% in truly sort of most recent 1 hour, in an especially large manner, which especially is very huge. Axie essentially for the most part has a genuinely all-out market cap of $882,472,643, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $65,605,560, which certainly explicitly is genuinely huge in a really significant manner. This in a real sense in every way that really matters makes a share endlessness, Axies, sort of positioning at 68 in the digital money market, which entirely the most part is genuinely critical in an unobtrusive manner. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of in a real sense is the share boundlessness cost forecast finish of 2040, what will a share endlessness by and large for the most part be especially worth in 2040, which entirely is very huge in a sort of enormous manner. Is a share boundlessness a sort of most certainly wise venture or actually really worth purchasing in 2040 in an unobtrusive manner in a genuinely enormous way? Will Axie's cost basically outperform its unequaled high, which actually really is genuinely huge, exhibiting that a share vastness value forecast synopsis with the fundamentally current cost of $6.68, a share boundlessness, basically sort of holds its ground on the lookout, or so they essentially sort of thought in an especially significant manner. These explicitly are our share boundlessness cost expectations for Axie's future, exhibiting the way that this generally basically makes a share vastness, Axies, by and large, especially positioning at 68 in the digital currency market, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, or so they for the most part thought. A share limitlessness, Axies, value expectation 2040, as per the share boundlessness conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the Axie's cost for the most part in a real sense is supposed to generally really cross in every practical sense, all things considered, normal value level of $7.55, the normal in every practical sense. By and large least value worth of a share vastness toward the finish of the in every practical sense, truly current year ought to basically explicitly be $6.83, exhibiting how might Axie's value sort of outperform its unequaled pretty high in an essentially truly significant manner in a truly significant manner. Besides, Axies can entirely arrive at a decently truly greatest value level of $7.76, or so they thought, or so they generally thought. A share boundlessness value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the actual kind of greatest cost for a share limitlessness could generally basically stretch around $7.76, showing how a share vastness, Axies, generally really is determined to in every practical sense. Especially arrive at a reasonably essentially normal cost of $15.62 toward the finish of 2025, which generally for the most part is genuinely huge in a very significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Axies in December 2023 generally is $6.83 with an in every way that really matters, genuinely normal cost of $7.55 in an unpretentious manner. A share vastness in every practical sense, past value examination in the actually essentially beyond 24 hours, the crypto actually certainly has been fundamentally diminished by 6.88% in its very current worth, or so they generally thought, which most certainly is genuinely critical. On the off chance that we in a real sense generally look at the very genuinely current market cap of the axes with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap truly sort of is likewise down in a kind of quite large manner. The share boundlessness especially essentially is confronting a truly quite difficult time jumping aboard with commonly beautiful other crypto coins, especially fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking, or so they in a real sense thought. The Axie basically in a real sense is down to nearly 7.96% in the fundamentally sort of most recent 7 days, exhibiting how a share vastness value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the by and large greatest cost for a share boundlessness could all things considered by and large stretch around $7.76. Showing how a share limitlessness, Axie, generally is gauged to in a real sense, certainly arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $15.62 toward 2025 in an unpretentious manner in a very significant ways end. The coin sort of certainly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for pretty most certainly past essentially couple of days. The coin could sort of truly have certainly areas of strength for truly in any case. We don't fundamentally generally imagine that it would a beneficial resource in actually genuinely present moment. Kind of additional appearance how a share limitlessness sort of past value examination in the fundamentally certainly beyond 24 hours. The crypto most certainly truly has been in every practical sense, generally diminished by 6.88% in its sort of lovely current worth, which in every way that really matters, generally is genuinely huge, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. A share vastness value estimate 2040 facts what will very be a share boundlessness fundamentally especially worth in 2040 in an unpretentious manner. The Axie's cost for the most part truly is gauged to sort of generally arrive at in every practical sense, by and large greatest degree of $7.76, with by and large especially least cost of $6.83 toward the finish of 2040, so moreover, the minimum cost of Axie in December 2023 actually certainly is $6.83, with an especially normal cost of $7.55. Or so they in a real sense especially thought in an unobtrusive manner. Does a share vastness generally have a future in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way? As far as value, a share boundlessness in a real sense for the most part has an exceptional especially extremely potential to especially arrive at new levels, showing how as far as value, a share vastness explicitly has an extraordinary kind of especially potential to explicitly for the most part arrive at new levels in an unpretentious manner. Exhibiting that besides Axie can entirely arrive at a genuinely sort of greatest value level of $7.76, or so they thought, which generally is genuinely critical. It in every practical sense, especially is conjecture that Axie will increment in esteem, showing how starting around 18 December 2023 a share endlessness basically sort of is exchanging at $6.68 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.75% in extremely most recent 60 minutes, especially genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. As indicated by quite of explicit specialists and business investigators, a share limitlessness can explicitly